We returned to Antarctica in 2024. Starting again in Ushuaia, Argentina, we sailed east to the Malvinas or Falkland Islands. From there we continued another 800 miles east to South Georgia Island. This island had more wildlife than we've ever seen in any one place. We understood why it's also known as the Serengeti of the Antarctic. We then turned south to the beauties and wildlife of Antarctica before returning back to Argentina. It was amazing. Enjoy each episode. Where are we at, dear?
Elephant Island, where 22, I think, of Shackleton's men were left for 4 months while he went to go get help with just 3 of them in the other boat. And they were in this bay. Frank Wild was the one in charge of the people left, and it's called Wild Bay now.
And there's a monument little sculpture out there of
the captain of the ship who Shackleton came back with to rescue the men.
But this isn't quite Antarctica yet. This is before Antarctica. So this is like an island right before, like this. There's a peninsula that kind of goes out.
Gosh, guys, what's with this wildlife stuff? Everybody's so silent. It's just like...
Holy smokes. Did you see that? Holy hell.
Still see its fluke.
Oh my god. You see the fishes over there? Yes? Yeah. Big dollar fish.
Oh yeah, lots of fish right there.
Here it comes. Oh my god.
Wow!
That one's really a crowd pleaser.
Yeah, they show off. Look at all these fish.
Yeah, but I just
Oh, wow! Oh my god! Look how close it is! Whoa! Oh, we got it!
Where are we going?
Penguin Island.
Penguin Island.
Yeah.
So you guys are...
What do you think, dearie?
I think I love today.
Let's see if we can find some penguinos.
We're on Penguin Island. We're going to hike to the top of the volcano crater.
Let's get to the top of the volcano.
Who knew it would be this warm?
Here we go. Reaching the peak.
Outbound test. All bumping.
Wow.
That's okay.
Give me a little history of this island.
Okay, on the spot. Here, it was Edward Bransfield, so the Irish explorer, although then of course he was a citizen of the Kingdom of Britain and Ireland. He was in the service of the Royal Navy. He came down here in 1820 on his expedition, and he landed here sighted it and he saw all the penguins. He said, right, Penguin Island. He didn't realise there's a massive volcano here, so he should have really called it Volcano
That's
Island.
right, yeah.
You know, with that typical inventiveness they had.
Yeah.
There are penguins on Penguin Island, chin straps. They look so small compared to the kings.
It's just their sound, I guess. Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Oh, just fantastic.
Hey, I hate to tell you, but they're chin straps up there, not Gen 2s.
They're not your mates.
Yeah, panorama is a good idea.
What do you think?
Awesome, in the real sense of the word, awe.
Where are we, Steve?
In a boat. In a Zodiac.
In the Zodiac.
Yeah.
In
Turret
that
Point.
part of Penguin Island. Is this still Penguin Island?
This is Turret Point.
Well, this
Point.
is actually King George Island.
King George Island.
Are you from the ocean?
Stay away from us. The ice is so blue because it's so dense. It's been compressed over these thousands of years.
Yeah.
So what we're seeing really is the true colour of water as a molecule. So when it's at its densest, blue is the light it reflects.
Waving hi.
Which one's waving? Oh yeah, hello.
Hi, thanks for welcoming us.
To that point, I think it has to do with the historical figure.
It's an elephant seal injuries. Yeah. Skeleton. Basically, at some point, your teeth are worn down and things like that. You can't hunt properly anymore.
You can climb to the top.
Oh, wow. All over.
Yeah. And look what we see on the other side. It's snowing on King George Island
In Antarctica.
in Antarctica.
Lightly.
Lately.
On our side.